DeFi 2025. Start safe and smart. So, you've heard about DeFi, decentralized finance, but how do you start safely without losing your money? Let's dive in. Before jumping in, you'll need a secure internet connection, a wallet, and some ETH or stablecoins to get going. Avoid public Wi-Fi for your crypto activities. That's a hacker's playground. Get a hardware wallet or trusted mobile wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Rabby to hold your crypto. And remember, some ETH or stablecoins like USDC or DA will cover your gas fees on Ethereum. Most importantly, never share your seed phrase with anyone, ever. It's your keys, your crypto. Next, let's set up your wallet step by step. I'm using MetaMask as an example here. First, go to the official MetaMask site and download the browser extension carefully. Then create a new wallet. This is your gateway into DeFi adventures ahead. Next, save your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase offline, on paper or a device that's never online. Add Ethereum mainnet to your wallet so you can interact with most DeFi apps seamlessly. Fund your wallet by transferring crypto from trusted centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. You're set up and ready to explore DeFi protocols. But safety first, let's break down your options. There are three main DeFi platform types: lending and borrowing, swapping tokens, and staking or yield farming. For beginners, I suggest starting simple: lend on Aave or swap tokens on Uniswap. Lower risk and easy to grasp. Doing your own research is a must in DeFi. Never trust blindly, no matter how shiny it looks. Check Total Value Locked (TVL) on DeFi to see how much money is trusted in the protocol you want to use. Look for audits and smart contract verifications. These are your safety nets against bugs and hacks. Don't forget to check community feedback on Reddit, Discord, and Twitter to spot red flags or hidden gems. If a DeFi app promises crazy returns, run the other way. High rewards come with high risks. How to dodge scams. Never click unknown links from DMs or pop-ups. They're phishing traps. Always use official websites. Bookmark them so you never accidentally land on fake sites. Test any new DeFi platform with small amounts first. Don't throw in your life savings on day one. Beware fake tokens that look like real ones. Always check contract addresses carefully. A classic mistake: sending funds on the wrong blockchain, like sending ETH on Binance Smart Chain. That's a costly oops. Ready for your first safe DeFi action? Let's lend a small $10 USDC on Aave together. Connect your MetaMask wallet to Aave by clicking Connect Wallet and approving the request. Supply $10 USDC to Aave. This small step yields interest while you learn the ropes risk-free. Watch as your interest accumulates automatically. This is how your money can start working for you. You're in control, earning yield safely, and gaining hands-on experience. Perfect for beginners. And that's a wrap. You've just taken your first safe step into the world of DeFi in 2025. If you like this guide, hit like and subscribe. More beginner-friendly DeFi tips coming your way. Check out our next video. Top 5 DeFi apps for beginners in 2025, and keep leveling up your crypto game. Got questions or want to share your first DeFi experience? Drop a comment below. I read them all. Thanks for watching, and remember, in DeFi, smart steps and safety go hand in hand. Keep your seed phrase offline, test with small amounts, and always DYOR. Your crypto adventure starts here. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your first safe step today builds your confident DeFi future. Don't forget to secure your devices, avoid phishing scams, and use two-factor authentication everywhere you can. As DeFi evolves in 2025, staying educated and cautious will safeguard your crypto journey and wallet. Keep learning with communities on Reddit and Discord. They're gold mines of real user experience. And that's your beginner-friendly cheat sheet to DeFi in 2025. Ready to take that plunge safely? Remember, DeFi is a powerful tool, but only when you treat it with respect and caution. Your first safe steps open the door to a whole new financial world, exciting and full of opportunity. Keep your curiosity sharp, your wallet safer, and enjoy the ride as you learn and grow your crypto skills. Thanks for joining me on this beginner's tour to DeFi 2025. See you in the next video with more tips.